Welcome to ecopenny. I've got a good find on Facebook Marketplace, an accessory for my e-bike. Let's see what it is. Let's reveal what it is. Wow, it's a trailer for the e-bike or any other bicycle. It's designed to hold one or two kids, but it can also hold cargo. So this is a fantastic find, second-hand trailer for $20 Australian on Facebook Marketplace. Let's see what it's like and what parts I need to buy to fix it up. So obviously, if you buy things second-hand, you're reusing existing products. It's more environmentally friendly and friendlier on the hip pocket too. So this family, the kids have got older now, they've got their own bikes, so they don't need to go in the trailer. So they were selling it, so I thought, saw it on Facebook Marketplace. Shout out to my brother for chatting with them and working out where they were and all that. So, finally got it. Something I've always been thinking about getting for the e-bike. So to enable to carry bigger cargo, I can actually go to the shops and other things like that and get groceries. Other things which don't normally fit on it. So I've pumped up these tyres beforehand and they're still firm, so the tubes look pretty good. So it's got two wheels, they're in pretty good condition. They need a bit of a clean, there's a bit of rust there, but the tyres and the inner tubes are fine. Got another solid tyre, that goes for the front if you're going to use it as a stroller and not as a trailer. So it does fold down. So this cover's going to need a bit of a clean. So that's the basics of it. Wheels go here. Wheel goes at the front if using it as a stroller, or the arm goes out if using it as a trailer. So it's got a bit of wear and tear, bits of grass and mud on it, but overall I think it's a good buy. I'll have to set it all up and see how well it works. So the flag's missing, the rear light's missing, I'll get one of those. This is the arm that comes out. So if you're using it as a stroller, that tucks away. If you're using it as a trailer, that arm comes out. There's a pin missing here, which I'm going to replace. So that's a rough look at it. So I'm going to clean it all and reassemble it. So I bought some parts, got new tubes for the main wheels. $8 each, $16 Australian. So they'll be used as spares if I do get a puncture down the track. I've got a dowel for $4. Flag from Bunnings for $2.59. I'm going to make a flag for it. And I've got a couple of pins. So I only need one, but they come in a pair. They are only $1.53. So hopefully this is all the parts I need. Okay, these ones didn't really fit, but the pin that was in the trailer connection was actually not supposed to be here. This pin that's attached to here was supposed to be here, and this bit goes onto the back wheel of the bike. And this allows you to take the trailer on and off, so that pin should be this one that's bolted on. And so the one that was here, I've put here for this swing arm, so it's all fixed. I thought a pin was missing, but this one was actually put where the trailer was, and it shouldn't have been there. So previous owners made a mistake there. So that's good. The brakes will need adjusting. It's just a mechanical brake that this bit pushes out onto the wheel. So I fixed the pins. So let's get to some cleaning. No, surface rust is coming off. Fantastic. So I just took out the strap, slid the dowel in there and put 2 screws in to secure it. Fantastic. Alright, it's the first session done. Wheels are much better. Everything's clean. Just leave it to dry before I reassemble it all. So we're all done now. Had the e-bike serviced at Renshaw's and Bathurst. They had to put 2 new wheel nuts on to make this more secure because the previous ones were stripped. Now the hitch is on there, ready to go. So I think it's worthwhile getting the trailer for the e-bike. Just gives more functionality, more cargo carrying capacity for groceries and other items. Extends it and makes it more flexible. Hope this was interesting and enjoyable to watch. See you next time. No, surface rust is coming off. Fantastic.